garden. You were digging plants, I thought you beg your pardon. I took a photograph of you in the herbaceous border. It broke the heart of men and flowers and girls and trees. Another rainy day, we're trapped inside with the train set. Chocolate on the boil, steamy windows when we met. You got the attic window looking out on the cathedral. And on a Sunday evening, bells ring out in the dusk. Now everybody's gone, you picked me up for a long drive. We took the tourist route, the nights are light until midnight. We took the evening ferry over to the peninsula. We found the avenue of trees, we're up to the hill. That crazy avenue of trees, I'm living there still. Something in my eye, a little midge so beguiling. Sacrifice his life to bring us both eye to eye. I heard the Eskimos remove obstructions with tongues near. You missed my eye, I wonder why I didn't complain. You missed my eye, I wonder why, please do it again. Loving is a mess. What happened to all of the feeling? I thought it was for real. Babies, rings and fools kneeling. And words of pledging trust and lifetime stretching forever. So what went wrong? It was a lie. It crumbled apart. Those figures of past, present, future, haunting the heart.
Yeah, getting a shiver in the dawn. It's raining in the park the main time. South of the river, you stolen your whole everything. Come on now. Man's blowing Dixie double fountain. Yeah, you feel alright when you hear the music, man. Yeah. Well, now you're stepping inside, where you don't see too many faces. Coming in out of the rain, they hear the jazz go down. Competition, too many other places.